Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use delete sound setting on realme mobile. Friends you want to use delete sound, so how to on and use in this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Open your phone setting friends. After on phone setting means direct guys click on search option delete setting. Once you can see delete sound setting guys, you will click on the delete sound setting. Direct guys you can on your delete sound from here. After on guys how to use. So as some guys I will take as some screenshots. And guys now we will delete this screenshot guys. So we will on guys our phone gallery. So friends you can see this screenshot guys. I will click here. So guys when you will delete guys your photos, you can use the delete sound. So we call it delete sound. So after on get delete sound, you can use like that. So when guys we will delete photos, so when we can use the delete sound. So like that guys, you can use the delete sound. And friends you don't want to use, friends click on phone setting. And friends you can off from your sound and vibration setting. Click here. More sound and haptic guys. Click here. Delete sound is on guys. Tap here. Friends now you can delete photos without any sound. Friends you can check. Friends no sound. So like that guy we can use delete sound setting on realme phone device. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubt friends, you can ask me in comment section friends, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys. So I hope that you understood how to use and off delete sound on realme mobile. Bye guys.